Model, 2020 Fiat Ducato 35 2.3 140 Multijet Tecnico LH2 new CAMBELT service bargain grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 213,524. Engine, 2287 ccf1 AGL 4113 E6 DTEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. This has just had the CAMBELT replaced, so good to go. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, 2 keys, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.